Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Trip.com adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Account section of the website or app. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Look for the Security Settings option within your account settings. This may be labeled as Security, Privacy, or Account Security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable it, which may include choosing your preferred method such as SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Verify and save changes. After enabling 2FA, you will likely need to verify your choice by entering a code sent to you photo generated by your authentication app. Once verified, make sure to save your changes. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Trip.com account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated in case you need to regain access to your account.